Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Tutorial channel. This round I want to share with you the latest release from Tarmacworks, the endless Mitsubishi Lancer Evo X, the Evo 10. This is not the first time they've done this casting. They've done actually quite a few with variant wings and also the front lip. So I would say this time around they've done a pretty decent job on this casting. So this is actually the third endless livery that they have done so far. The first being the GTR and then the Subaru. The GTR was released a couple of years back. I can't remember when. The Subaru was just recently and I've already done a video on that. Do check it out on my channel. Okay, so we go straight to it. I just want to point out that the sleeve, this time for this casting, for this release, they have included the little diorama detail, I would say, the blurred circuit background and also the base. Compared to the previous two, that was still in the old logo. You can see that was done pretty much some time ago. And for the Subaru, there's only small little detail on the base, looking like a tarmac, and artistic design, pretty much similar to the car livery design on the back sleeve here. Also, alright, so on the Evo we can get a little scenery kind of sense of motion. Okay, at the back it's rather plain, nothing much to say about there. Alright, okay, so it comes with the card. Now this is standard pretty much. It always, all their releases comes with a card and a chassis number. Okay, I'll just leave it there and we'll go straight to the car. So I've always liked when Tarmac do this casting with the front lip. It makes it look much racier, I would say, and it looks so much better with the front lip. They've done a couple without a front lip, and in my own opinion, I didn't really like them. Okay, and okay, you know what? I'm gonna take it out of the base, and we'll take a closer look at it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So this is actually one of the casting that Tarmac does that I really like. They have I'm not sure, I can't tell if they made any difference, but I would say it's one of their better castings. I don't see anyone complaining yet. I don't see any QC issues on this release. Okay, so I know that they have a couple of, I think 2 variants on the wing. It's a GT wing and I can't remember what's the other one. I believe there's only 2 type of wings so far. And there are versions where they do not have the front lip. This one has it. That's very nice. The details on the bonnet, that's very nice as well. Okay, and the wrap, the decal wrap on this car, it's really superb. You can see all the logos and tags. They are printed very crisp. You don't see it pixelated or smeared, you know, because it's not easy to be able to print at this kind of size. Nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, and you know what? Yeah, I wanted to show you this as well. Yes, this casting actually rolls. I've not done this test with any of the previous Evo 10 release before, but yeah, so this one does roll, no issue. It rolls nicely, but I think the wheels are not in a perfect round, so that's why it will bump and you can hear that little sound. Okay, but it's fine by me because I usually display it. I do not take them out to play anyway. Okay, so as usual, do remember to follow me on Instagram. I will be taking close-up photos and putting them there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the like button. That would help me a lot. Alright, so stay tuned for more diecast videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.